the channel. I know this is gonna look a little different. So the look that I'm wearing now is for a future video. However, I didn't have enough battery to record an intro for this look that you're gonna see in this tutorial. So I apologize for that, but I didn't want to go without putting an intro in. So this look is in an upcoming video. It's not the look that's in this tutorial. So I'll put a picture up to show you what this tutorial or what this look is going to be. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See ya. Today I'm going for like Chickadee from Makeup Geek is going to be the star of the show today, and that is it there. Yeah, so this is more duplicative of what I just showed you. So that's the star of the show. And I'm going to start with that and use that as my transition and in my crease. I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. I think that this is one of their, came from a limited collection. Don't quote me on that. But it is Morphe. It doesn't have a number or a name on it, but I'll just call it a blending brush for now. And we're just going to swirl that around in my crease, blend it out before we pick up any more color. I'm just doing circular motions, and then I'll go back like a windshield wiper. I'll go back and forth between windshield wipers and circular motion to get that color blended out. I'm going to go in with another brush that has no product on it. This is from Bean Gotchi. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but I can barely see it. It's like really tiny. Now I don't have my glasses. But this is a taper blending brush, and I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, what we're gonna go with next? Let's see. I need a darker color. I have a color in mind, but I'm not sure about it. But I think I'm gonna do it because it's gonna give me that depth that I want. So the same color wheel. So, and I could put this in my outer crease, start to build that up. So it's similar to Chickadee. I feel like every time I say Chickadee, I have to say it like that. Chickadee! Because it reminds me of like little chicks. Okay. Over it. So I'm going to put this in my outer crease and blend that into the transition. And I'm going to use a smaller brush for that. And what I also like to do sometimes is if I'm going in with a darker color on the outer crease on my right here, then I start right here with the color before that that's going to blend into it. I start right here and then I go directly above and then I blend it out in the crease, but I try to leave that outer portion alone because that's where my darker color is going to go, and then blend it in that way. So pack it on like right here and then put the color right there, and then I'll take the brush and then blend it out. This, I think I said this before, I think this color is discontinued. This is uninterrupted by MAC. The way I was able to catch it was at the outlet store, what is it called? Cosmetics company store. They actually had it and I stocked up. But like I said, I think it's discontinued. And then I'm going to put that in my outer corner. And then drag that up. I'm going to use Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek. I told you it's a Makeup Geek kind of day. That's going to be my last color. Concealer brush. I don't know who it's made by. Sorry. Sorry. I'm using this to cut out my lid to make it look more sharp. And then we're going to go in with the lid color, which I don't know what that is yet. With Primavera, this color right here from Anastasia. Y'all, you need to get your hands on these lashes, seriously. And I don't even want to begin to tell you. These are Azeredo lashes. I hope I'm saying the name right. In Hollywood. Goddess was my ride or dies for a long time, but I think Hollywood took their place. Okay. Alright, now on to the fun part. Foundation. The Studio Fix Fluid and NC44. Yeah, because I'm cool. And I forgot to wet my beauty blender. Laura Mercier, where you at? I ain't even going I can't even bake today. Apply and wipe. Maybe I'm not getting enough water. That will do it. Your skin will get dehydrated. Like, that is a real thing. Okay, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with where is it? My MAC Studio Fix powder. Yeah, and NC43. I'm gonna lightly set. Crap! I'm dropping everything today. Now I'm just gonna use a face brush. To what does it bother my eye? Bronzer. And to apply it, I'm going to use Firma. Looks like it could be an S or an F, but this one, 103. I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer to carve out these cheeks and lighten up the face. Then I'm going to take a bigger brush to blend it in. I'm going to use IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush number 4. I love IT Cosmetic brushes, by the way. Now I'm going to snatch it even more by carving out that contour. I'm going to go back in with my IT Cosmetics brush as soon as I can find it. Why did I put it away? Okay. That was funny. There we go. Whatever. And I'm going to go in with my favorite blush, the Pacifica Tenderhearted. And I'm going to use a Luxe 660 Precision brush. Actually, I'm going to mix these two. So it's Tenderhearted and Beaming. I'm going to mix those two. Just provide a little, oh, Jasmine, don't you, not right now, Jasmine. I can't do it right now. I can't go there with you right now. Go back in with that IT Cosmetics brush and just blend the two colors together. Then I'm going to take my champagne pop. I'm going to use another Luxe, is that Luxie? Yep. Luxie 552 tapered highlighter brush. And we going... And I know it ain't right. We got left. I'm gonna hit this lower lash line, hit this inner corner, And then we're gonna be, no, it needs lips to be done. Then we done, y'all. I'm gonna go with Cocoa Bear. Cocoa Bear on the bottom lash line. Okay, y'all, we're almost done. I had to clear up some space on my camera. So, I did, what did I do off camera? Well, I had the lower lash line, some mascara on my lower lashes, and I contoured my nose a bit. And now I'm going to put on Whirl for my lip liner. What else is new? And then my favorite combination, Stripped and Dose of Colors has been my combination go-to lately. Stripped by Anastasia and Can You Not by Dose of Colors. And that's it. Hey guys. No. Hey. No.